Ready to launch your dream website without spending a dime? Let's jump into creating a WordPress site with totally free domain and hosting. First, head over to a free hosting provider like a WordSpace or Infinitive Free. These platforms offer free subdomains and limited hosting to get you started. Create an account by providing your email and setting up a secure password. Remember to choose a username that you can easily recall for future logins. Once logged in, look for a one-click WordPress installer. This will automatically set up WordPress on your free subdomain. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. And then click the Install button to get the WordPress installation to complete automatically. The installation should take about a minute, after which you'll be able to access your WordPress admin dashboard. Now, customize your website. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes. Browse the free themes and select one that matches your vision. Click on Activate to get your desired theme active. You can also add functionality by selecting a plugin from the Plugins page. And there you have it. A functional WordPress website, absolutely free. Remember that free hosting often comes with limitations, but it's perfect for learning and building a basic online presence.